Alright, I'm gonna be playing The Sims today. Oh, God! Oh my... No thanks. Can it still be a ghost?
Veja. Então, bebo. Aha. Aha.
Bernala! Suna! Pimep Suna! Yabosa!
Oh, Wajini!
What the? That is not so.
Kinship Stalani!
Omiva! Aha! Shanip Doyum! Huh? Yisharao! Huh? Yisharao!
Isharao, Isharao. I guess I'll change the color of this to green. Just my favorite color. I guess I kind of always wear jeans. I'm wearing jeans right now. Let's go with formal. I'm gonna do full body. Let's go up here. Yep, that's good enough. Alright, now for athletic. Like this. Okay. It's not what I'd wear, but I guess we can work with it. Perfect. Just oh my yacht. Those are pretty short. I don't want that to be that. Okay, that's like good. That's literally good. Alright. Now for the sleep. Perfect. Okay, that's perfect. Oh. Alrighty.
Ooh.
It's crunchy. Yeah, that's good. Good enough. I wouldn't wear that belt. Oh my. Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
A little chubby.
Rusted
that's me.
Santa Hoy? Ooh.
It's like there. Yeah, that's good. Alright, now for the top. No, it's a nose. I think. Yeah, I guess that's decent. Just no way. I guess that's good enough. Yeah, that's perfect. What was that? Nope. Alright. Yeah, well, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Mod. I think I'm ready.
Alupaz? My Alupaz.
And a prep kit off.
Yazip? Have you through ya?
Skimbo Unabla.
Zarkini and a Fwix. Wangini Lorraine. Quimba Reginille.
Marlene Quimba.
Ooh, Bernala.
Eval Lange.
Hinaprep. Oh, Menarskal? Huh? Fanship Staley.
Shut up, Patty. That's all I hear. That is what we all eat. Cast. This is a 2 bed, 1 bath. This is a 1 bed, 1 bath. Okay, I'm getting this. This is 15,000. This is 15,000. These both have one bathroom and one bedroom. This one has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and it's cheaper than both of these. Alrighty. Furnished. Let's just do furnished. Alrighty. I saw Queso play this, and I thought I saw a computer. Well, this will be the computer room, I guess. The office, whatever. Shut up. I'm gonna move that over to there. Get out. I'm doing object spiraling. I always do that. I don't want a very expensive desk. Like, this one's good, it's just the color sucks. Like, it's just weird. Okay, that one's, I guess, good. That color's okay. Alright. Oh, we can do that. I don't really need window coverings. Wait. That one's expensive. I don't want that. Okay, there we go. Indoor activities. What's the... Oh. I don't even have a job. I need a job. I should have got a job before I built anything. Would we? Oh, and I need to delete this. Oh, and also I need a new TV because I'm not using that like coffee. I can get that one. Better than the old one. Look, been there, watched that TV. You just put this in my bedroom? No. No. Burn. No. Get out. Get out. Get out.